drop your shoulders. Oh my God.
Yeah.
That was a very, very, very good release. A little more. There we go.
Oh, yes.
Nice and smooth. Yeah, easy.
Yes.
One more. That's it. Oof. Okay, lift up your right heel today. Just the heel. Yep, and then step down. Now straighten. And let's see if that's any better. Hold the arm there. Good. Lift up. Lift up the left heel. And down. What's interesting is when I first started working with you, you were a left pelvic deficiency. So for whatever reason today, you're coming in now as a right. And there's a couple reasons why people switch. But I think when you fell and hurt yourself, your body went one way and now you're going back to what you were naturaling before.
Yeah.
So I just always check that, because that, if I don't check that and I adjust it the wrong way, it'll make you sore. So, but you are definitely needing an adjustment today. So let's fix you up. Ready?
Okay. Yeah, I'm
On
ready.
your stomach. Let me,
My stomach.
I'll get to work.
Okay. Oh my God.
There you go. Good. Did you have a nice Valentine's Day?
Oh yes. Well, I was working, but still,
Yeah.
I had a.
You worked on Valentine's Day?
Yeah, I work in the bank
Oh, that's right. And on Saturday.
on Saturday.
Okay.
In the bank, Saturday and Sunday, because we are 24 hours.
Mm. Well, you have a Valentine though, right?
No, but I had my brother.
You did.
My family.
Mm-hmm.
My daughter and my husband.
Mm-hmm.
We always spend a great time together.
Yeah, now I'm done adjusting. I can take my shoes off. If I could, I would wear no shoes all day, but some people like it better when I have shoes on, so. Does your low back hurt when you wear the high heels?
A little bit.
Mm-hmm, yeah. Good. Okay, so here's where I'm going to check the pelvis. Make sure that I'm right. And that looks like right. Let's see what happens if I go left. Definitely, okay. That's good. Check the hip. Yes, still there. Okay, squeeze your butt together. Just squeeze your butt. Yep. Good. Relax. Yes. Good. Okay, I'm going to adjust the very end of your tailbone called the coccyx. Yep. Sorry, it gets personal. And then we try again. Good, that's better. Now, you feel it over on the right. So today we need to definitely work on this left or right SI joint. Right where you feel it. Yeah, the human body is so amazing.
It is. Mhm.
Okay, let's see what we can do there. I'm gonna move my shoes out of the way. Okay, big breath in. And all the way out. Drop your shoulders. Oh my God.
Yeah.
That was a very, very, very good release.
It was.
That felt like butter though. It went like so smooth. I didn't really even push that hard. Breathe in again here, hon. And blow that all the way out. Good. Drop a little more. There we go.
Oh, yes.
See.
Much needed.
Mm-hmm. Little stretch here. Mm-hmm. Good. Mm-hmm. Okay, turn your head. Now look to the right today. Just your head. Just your head.
My head? Okay.
Yeah, only, yes, your face. So, boca, which is to the right? Derecha?
Derecha.
Derecha. Boca derecha. Stop laughing at me.
He is laughing at you.
Boca medio, por favor. Medio?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
No, but you're doing good.
Aww.
You're doing good.
Thanks for being so nice.
Of course, because I was there. That was my first time that I started talking English.
I told you how I walk my neighbor's dog sometimes. Did I tell you that? And he's Cuban and doesn't speak any English.
Uh-huh.
So then I say whatever Spanish I know. And hope I don't say it. One time I said something about the dog needing to eat or dog was hungry. And he looked at me like I asked about the dinner. And I was like, no, the dog. Like, no. Only Max. Turn your head, look to the right. Yes, good. Okay, head back to the middle. Head, yes. Boca medio, por favor. Okay, now push your face down into the paper, into the table. Just push face straight down.
Okay.
And relax. Good, just like that. That's good. Okay. So your occiput is really tight. Was it a new pillow or you just...
It was the pillow of my husband. For some reason, in the middle of the night, I grabbed the pillow. And then all of a sudden, I don't know what happened.
Lie on this side. Well, the next thing you know, face me. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. All the way. Everything. Yes. And then come towards me. Good. Yes, I got you. Perfect. Straighten that one. Not touch your bruises. That looks so bad.
Oh, yeah. I have pain over there.
Right there. Yeah. So we're going to try to move that. Big breath. Yes. And let that out. Open.
Oh, yes.
Open. Yeah. Nice and smooth. Yeah. Easy.
Oh, yes.
Pain?
I had pain over
Okay,
there.
go the other way.
But I feel like something.
Yeah, it did move a little
Move
bit.
a little
Let's see if we can get more going this way too. Yep, over here. Hook that. Straighten out. Good. Good. Perfect.
Speed up. Because she holds her breath.
Oh, that's right. Respira or
Respira.
respira means breathe. Or I can say inhala, exhala. Because I tell, that's why I say in English. Breathe in and out. You're gonna fall.
Yeah, exactly.
No falling.
But now. Okay.
There. Okay. Here we go. Respira. Let that open. One more. That's it.
Yes,
That's
I
it. No falling.
Yes. But that was much needed.
Yeah. So I think everything was tight up from your low back to your neck.
Yeah.
There. Good. Relax your head. Relax.
Okay. I'm gonna relax my head.
This is a good girl. Let's just relax. Yeah, it's definitely tight down here. The lower part on the right. Right where you said. So, good. Relax here. Yes. Now uncross your legs. Woof. Yeah. Here we go. And then ear. Okay. Now breathe. Respira. Good.
Oh, that was good.
Mejor.
Mucho mejor.
He's laughing at me. Yeah. Good. Okay, honey, let's just make sure your hips are good. How's that feel in the back?
Oh, good.
Any pain there?
No.
Yeah, that's getting better.
This pinchy right here.
A little bit when I come in.
But when I do bike and I start to
Come towards me, scoot that way.
like when I start to working out,
Yeah.
that side, the pain just disappear.
Okay, so biking helps that. Okay, good. Yeah, oh, I can feel a little bit of wiggle there. Let's get this. So a little pinchy. Bring your knees up. Squeeze your knees together. Hold that. Don't let me pull apart. Okay, good. Now squeeze out. Squeeze out, out, out. Yes. Good. I think we'll work on the hips a little bit. So you can do this on the ground or in bed. You're going to pull one up, and then I want you to bring it over, and I want you to bring it out.
Okay.
And just get used to moving. You can do this standing up too. I'll show you what it looks like standing up. But until we get your back strong enough, like I want you to make sure you do this lying down too.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So let's stand up and see how everything feels. See if I need to do anything else.
No, and I feel great.
How'd that feel there?
Great.
Better?
I don't even have that pain that I had when
Okay.
I do that.
Good. Okay. Perfect. Feet together. And then hold your arms strong here. Hold that. That's better. Right foot forward, step forward. Right foot.
Like this one?
Yep. And switch. Left foot forward. Yes, and hold. Good. Okay.
Nice.
So what's your talent for the beauty, is it beauty contest? Do you do a
Yeah.
talent?
Well, I'm journalist, so I can speak with good at speaking in Spanish, but in English I'm still learning.
You're good. You're good. You're so good. Aw, well,
Yeah.
we're gonna keep working on her as she goes
Thank
towards
you.
the crown.
Yes.
But
Woo!
but we'll keep
Yeah.
working on all of that. But thanks for being here.
Thank you.